My name is Nigel Mija, and I'm the creator of Maker Plus. Maker Plus is a tab mobile text editor which uses guided input coding solutions to make your programming on mobile easier and faster. And to show you how Maker Plus works, I'm just going to go into Maker Plus from the Google Play Store here. And I'm in the Maker Plus interface now. Maker Plus contains the ability for you to add tabs, and as you can see, these are some of the tabs that I've already opened. I can open an unlimited amount of tabs, and yeah, there's no limit, like I just said. To open a file, I simply need to tap the plus button. I can type in a file path, or I can simply type in the name of the file from the, if your file is saved in the public file area. To save is simply tapping save. Once you have your file open and you've edited it, you can tap save, or you can close tabs by simply tapping the X button. Now to clear, I simply need to press the menu and then I can clear the interface, as you can see. And now I'm going to show you what truly makes Maker Plus shine, which is this guided input coding solutions that I spoke about earlier. As you can see, I've built in a couple of guided input coding solutions here. And to use these, I simply need to tap one of them. So I'm going to tap the split value between. Say I have scrapped a web page, and the data that I have is the HTML that I have, and I have in a variable called data. So I type in the variable, press OK, and Maker Plus also allows you to automatically add quotes to the text that you've just entered into the guided input. But since that was a variable, I'm going to tap cancel. Now I'm going to type in the first value to split from, span, and then since this is text, I'm going to type in OK to add quotes, and then now the closing variable, the closing value to split on. Tap OK and then OK again. And now you see that it's automatically inserted the two values where they need to be for me. And this just makes this much of a easier interface to use and faster for whatever reasons that I have. So I'm going to show you another example with the HTML script. So I'm going to enter the website that I want, .google. So for example, say I want to scrap Google. Since it already contains some quotes, this is something that I've removed for the later version, because I want the user to always have the choice to add quotes or remove quotes. In this case, I'm going to press cancel. So I want text instead of JSON. And then cancel that. Now, as you can see, it's automatically inputted the web URL where it needs to be for me, and the other information that it asked me to enter, text or JSON, I've entered text there and it puts it there. Yeah, so it's a very good feature to have, this coding solution to have on a mobile face, because it just allows you to do your coding much faster and to implement your coding in a much better way, coding solutions in a much better way. What I also have in Maker Plus is some special keys that you see here. This means that I don't need to press the symbol sorry about that, button on the keyboard in order to access my special keys. And this makes it much easier for me to simply type in what I want and stay on the main part of the keyboard without any interference or any confusion. So I'm going to be adding more and more guided input coding solutions in here, and I promise to make the implementation of them in the text area much easier as well. By, for example, in the future, perhaps the user can type in on focus, and then you just ask them whether they want to use that guided input. So you don't have to say, if there's thousands of them in here, you don't have to keep scrolling and scrolling. You just simply type in the one that you want, and you ask if you want to use that one, and it adds it to the text area. And yeah, so this is the plus video. I'll be with each solution that I add, I'll be adding a video to show. And yeah, so thank you for watching the video, and thank you for your time.